Dhanur Chawla took to daily stock trading as a young finance graduate in 2019.
If you're right, it's very rewarding. And if you are wrong, it humbles you.
Earlier this month, Trump's tariff announcement triggered an almost 3% plunge, the biggest single day fall of 2025 for the Indian stock market. Chawla suffered financial losses too as markets plunged.
And I would say almost everyone has taken a hit on their portfolio, be it an experience or a newcomer. Amongst traders, there is anxiety, no doubt about it. But I would say, for me particularly, I'm not facing much of an anxiety because all these reactions and of global events, they all are short term. I am anxious in terms of some of the sectors which have drastically taken hit, in particular IT sector and retail sector, but I wouldn't say that this would stop me to stop investing into the market.
Currently, there are an estimated 113 million unique investors in India trading in stocks, mutual funds, derivatives, future options, among others. Almost 5 to 6 times growth since the pandemic. But bleeding across several sectors is causing much anxiety. Experts say it is an impending course correction for the markets.
COVID was a catalyst, I should say, because there was nothing to do, so people took to trading. If I take you a year back, markets were really doing really well, and there was a sense of optimism in the market, and that actually transpired to irrational exuberance, I should say.
Amid the US-China tariff escalation, many have been forced to rethink their investments. But Indian markets are looking buoyant again.
If you go back a couple of weeks, the anxiety was really high because nobody knew what was coming. So when Donald Trump imposed tariff across the board, India and a couple of other countries did not retaliate it immediately, but China, took that to themselves and they retaliated. So they are at the receiving end, and slowly and gradually, when the picture is emerging, it looks like that we will not be hurt that much as what other countries would be.
Retail investors are wary as the markets remain uncertain with Trump's almost daily twists and turns. But investors are more mature and disciplined now, willing to ride the storm. India's long-term growth story is positive, and hopes remain that markets will correct themselves despite the looming shadow of trade wars and domestic economic challenges. Smita Sharma, TRT World, New Delhi.